In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Notion. If you're someone who loves to stay organized and streamline your workflows, integrating ClickUp with Notion can be a complete game changer. Notion is excellent for creating and managing content, while ClickUp is a powerhouse for task management and team collaboration. By connecting these two tools, you can centralize your projects, automate tasks, and save loads of time. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or managing a team, this integration will help you work smarter, not harder. Let's dive in and get started. First, open your Notion workspace. Once you're in, navigate to the settings menu. You can usually find it in the sidebar, or you can access it by clicking your profile picture in the upper right corner of the screen. This is where all your account preferences and integrations are managed. Next, locate the section labeled Connections within the settings menu. Once you've found it, look for a button that says See All and click on it. This will expand the full list of available services and integrations that Notion supports. Now, scroll through the list of integrations until you find ClickUp. These are arranged in alphabetical order, so it shouldn't take long to spot it. Once you see ClickUp, click on it to proceed. This indicates that you want to connect your ClickUp account to Notion. Once you've selected ClickUp, you'll notice a Connect button. Go ahead and click that to begin the integration process. At this point, Notion will prompt you to log in to your ClickUp account. If you're already logged in to ClickUp on your browser, it might skip this step and connect automatically. But if not, simply enter your ClickUp credentials to continue. After logging in, ClickUp will ask you to select a specific workspace to sync with Notion. If you manage multiple workspaces, take a moment to double-check that you're choosing the right one. This step is important because only tasks and data from the selected workspace will be integrated. Once you've made your choice, click Connect Workspace to finalize the setup. And that's it. Now you've successfully integrated ClickUp with Notion. From here, you can start taking advantage of this powerful connection. For example, you can import ClickUp tasks into Notion, embed your project dashboards, or even automate workflows between the two platforms. This integration opens up endless possibilities to help you stay productive and organized. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.